doing today? Today I'm doing involved in a mystery box. I think it's a collab. I don't think this is a battle this time. I got this from umptyscratch. I think it was like $8 and no idea what's in it other than probably these stickers. Oh, and I'll put everybody down below in the description who's involved in this collab so you can go check out everybody else and see what they got. It says Community Box Battle. I'm assuming is a sticker. There's a bunch of stickers. What's that say, Chuck? Umptyscratch. And stranger Chuck. That's funny. Hello, my name is Chuck. And Sith happens. You slap those Chuck butt cheeks. It's okay to be different. umptyscratch.net. Thanks for the toys. Chuck talk. It's time to wash your pops. F Cancer. And Scratch Knot. Worldwide premiere. Elvis Chuck. That's funny. And Chuck Blues. Penis everywhere. I got Gomez Adams. That's cool. Adams family. The other choices would have been Morticia Adams, Wednesday Adams, Pugsley Adams, Uncle Fester, or Cousin It. That is awesome. That's what he looks like out of the box. So cool. Thank you so much. And like I said, I'll put everybody else down below in the description. You should go check out everybody else and see what they got. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe with the bell on. Thank you.